Hello student, today we are discuss about filtering data. Okay, so already discussed sorting data in multiple column sorting. What is sorting, column sorting, already discussed in last class. Okay, so now today we are discuss filtering data. Okay, filtering page number 32. Okay, chapter 3. Filtering data in a spreadsheet means to set condition so that only certain data is displayed with which helps to focus on specify information in the large datasets or table of data. This option is used when we wish to hide some data after entering it. Okay, so filtering does not remove or modify data, but it merely changes which row or columns appear in the active Excel worksheet. Okay, so filter can be done by three different ways. Actually filtering data help us to focus on specified column per column. And suppose you enter large table in your worksheet and you want to view only two columns in your worksheet, then you can use filtering data on your table. Okay, so this option is used when we wish to hide some data, and you can also use some data hide on your worksheet, then you can also use filtering data. Okay, and some specify row you can also view, then you can use filtering data. Okay, on your worksheet. So changes which row or column appear in the active Excel worksheet. Filter can be done by three different ways. Okay, number one format, number two list value, and number three criteria. Okay, so there are two commands as will provide by the filter. Range filter number one, number two advanced filter. That means simple criteria and complex criteria. In order for filtering to work correctly, your worksheet should including a header row which is used to identify the name of the column. In our example, our worksheet is organized into different columns. Identify the header cell in row. Name, has address, phone number, and so on. Okay, so I want to use filtering data in my worksheet, Excel worksheet. Okay, so open it, Excel. Create any table that's like ID, name, phone. Okay, no problem. That's simple table. Okay, ID suppose 1, 2 up to 10. 10. Okay, and name was suppose alphabetically A, B. Okay, and phone number suppose just example. Okay, okay, so now how can I use filter in this table? So you can also use select the table after you click on the home tab. Okay, click on the home tab. Click on the home tab. Okay, and next you can see right side option sort and filter option. Yeah, so already discussed in last class sort. Okay, so now filter. So I want to use filter. So click on filter, and you can see filter is insert my table. How can I find filter is inserted or not inserted? So you can see when you insert filter in your table, you can see some columns, specified column inserted some drop down. Adding some drop down in specified column. You can see this column is drop down here, this column drop down, and this column. Yes, okay. So So you can also you can find easily that your filter is inserted in your table. Okay, so now some data I want to use some data hide from my table. Okay, so you can use drop down. You can use drop down. First click on drop down option which you want to hide. Suppose 9 10 8 7 6 5. This are row I want to use I want to hide from my table. Okay, 5 6 7 8 9 10 9 10. Okay, and click on OK. You can see 1 2 3 4. Okay, and 5 6 7 8 hide it from my table. Okay, and clear my filter. You can also use keyboard Ctrl Z. Okay, clear my filter. So I want to view only 1 2 3 1 2 3 row only. Actually row name actually 2 3 4 and ID name is 1 2 3. Okay, so row 2 3 4 I want to view only 2 3 4 row in my table. So you can click on same process, click on ID column, click on ID click on this column. Okay, ID column, and which you want to view your column okay, so you want to which you select all and tick this select all option. Okay, and suppose which you want to view in your column, suppose 1 2 3 4 I want to view. Okay, on my table, so click on OK, and you can see 1 2 3 4 only view my table. Okay, so it's called filter. Okay, it's called filter. Now page number 33, select the data type and then click the filter command already used. A drop down arrow will appear the header for the each column. Yes, click the drop down menu arrow for the column you want to filter. In our example, we will filter column D to view only certain types of equipment. Okay, but we will filter column A. Yes, this column A to view only certain types of equipment. The filter menu will appear here. Uncheck the box next to select all to quickly display all data. You can see display all data, already use it, display all data, and check the boxes next to data you want to filter, then click on OK. Which you want to view this data from to your table, so you can use take this data and click on OK. You can see only 1 2 3 4 row, that means 2 3 4 row only view my table. Okay, so how can we clear the filter? Click the drop down arrow for the filter you want to clear. Drop down. Okay, now after in our example we will clear this one option. Actually the filter menu will appear here. Yes, so clear filter from the column name from the filter menu. You can use this option, clear filter from ID. Okay, column name, clear filter from column name appear here. My column name is ID. Yes, my column name is ID, so clear filter from ID. So you can click on OK, and you can see filter will be clear. Okay, the filter will be clear from the column. The previously hidden data will be displayed. You can see previously hidden data will be displayed. Okay, it's called filter. And now discuss custom filter. Custom filter. Okay, custom filtering is the option used for filtering data on specified conditions. It is also known as auto filter. Okay, so we will use custom filter. In the auto filter drop down menu, point the number filter, a submenu will appear. Then shows a compensation operator greater than equal, greater than or equal to. Click on custom filter option and custom filter dialog box will open for showing only the row where the total is in range. You need to fill the values and click on OK. You can see I want to use custom filter in my this column. Click on OK, and you can see custom filter number filter. Okay, so custom filter I want to use greater than filter. Okay, so greater than, suppose greater than value, I want to show greater than value, suppose only 9 and 10. Okay, 9 up to 9. Okay, so click on OK, and you can see only greater than value, only 10 value is view my table, because I already use greater than value is 9. Okay, so greater than value 9, so greater than value is 10, greater than value, so only 10 up to 11, 13, 14 up to already show in my table. Now clear my filter, number filter, less than. Now I want to use less than less than auto filter. Okay, less than, suppose 5. Okay, and click on OK. You can see 5 less than 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 number only show on my table. Okay, it's called custom filter. Okay, I hope everyone understood. Next, conditional formatting. For setting the format of the cell according to the specified condition, the conditional formatting feature is used. This command is present under the home tab in the style group. Conditional formatting is a fantastic way to quickly visualize data in spreadsheet. With conditional formatting, you can do things like highlight dates in the next 30 days, flag text, entry problem, highlight row, that contain top, customer show, duplicate, and more. Actually, conditional formatting is a specify row or column highlighted, or specify row and column colorful. Okay, it's called conditional formatting. Okay, highlight the selected cell. So select the table, and you can see my option conditional formatting. Okay, click on OK. So highlight cell rule. Suppose I want to use greater than, so you can see, click on OK, 45 up to light red. You want to choose color, green fill dark green text, right red text suppose. Okay, and click on OK. You can see red text on my table. Yes, ABC red text, 89, 56 red text. Next, conditional formatting, color scale, suppose a data bar suppose. Okay, you can see red and green data bar. Okay, or solid fill and red and fill, suppose this one. Okay, data bar, that means 81 is the biggest number. Okay, so that means this cell is full fill color, 78 is smallest from 89. So some color this cell, 56, 45, 34, 23, 45, this one. Okay, next, want to use different conditional formatting on my table. Data was already used. Color scale, you can see color scale. Okay, so actually conditional formatting, that means colorful specified column or row. You can use colorful specify column and row. Okay, so how can I use highlight the selected cell in go step by step. 34. So the cell range, click on conditional formatting option in the style group of home tab, click on highlight cell rule. After click on it, select smaller than option from the submenu. After this smaller than dialog box will appear. Type 30 on the left from the drop down list. On the right, select the custom format option. The format cell dialog box will open up. You can now change the font style to bold and italic and change the color and press enter. As soon as you complete it, the smaller than box dialog box will appear. Click on all marks less than 30 and all marks will appear in bold and italic and the selected color. this one actually. Okay, I already used conditional formatting, bold and italic, underline, not italic, conditional formatting. You can also use it formatting. This one you can also use for conditional formatting. Click on OK. You can see conditional formatting. Okay. Conditional formatting, that means colorful, specify text, column and row. Okay. Conditional formatting. And icon sheet, you can see icon sheet. You can use directional. Okay. You can use shape, some shape. This one. Okay. Indicator, some indicator you can use. Rating, some rating. Okay, it's called conditional formatting. Okay, called conditional formatting. Okay, next, removing conditional formatting. Removing conditional formatting. How can I remove my conditional formatting on my worksheet? From my worksheet. How can I remove conditional formatting from my worksheet? So you can select your table and conditional formatting, and you can see clear rule option here. So which you want to clear? Suppose I want to use clear rule from selected cell. This one. Yes. Next, clear rule from entry cell. Clear rule and from table. Yes. You can see remove conditional formatting from my table. Okay. So everyone should be remember. Okay. Conditional formatting is a colorful or specified text, column and row. Filter is a some row. You can use some row, filter, that means which you want to use, a row and column and some hidden column and row from filtering. Okay. Okay. So next class, after next class we will discuss sorting and filtering by cell color. Okay. Sorting and filtering by cell color. Okay. So now bye bye everyone, take care.